Hello and welcome back to another episode of Unity Noob's Unity Pro. I'm your host. Anyway, so I finally got the attack animation to work, so yay for me. Before we begin though, I would like to say that this will be not the last episode, but next video will be the last episode of Unity Noob's Unity Pro Season 4. And then it's going to go on hiatus. Now, when I say hiatus, I don't mean my entire channel will be going on hiatus, although it kind of has. But I'm still uploading. I haven't quit. I just school, and I'm trying to program and all personally more, and so I haven't been able to record as much. But I have been finishing up our attack animation, and it's now done. What was I saying? I think I was talking about the hiatus. Yes, so I'll explain more about that next video, the last episode. And yeah, when this season does stop and I go on hiatus for Unity, or Unity Pro goes to hiatus, I will be doing more different things, like one-offs and all. But yeah, I think it's a good call. Having to yeah, we'll talk about more of this later. Let's just get into the animation. All right. So I finally got it working. It's not perfect. It's not. Neither is my throat. But so as you can see there, it automatically plays and start. I think I can turn it off somewhere. It works, but like you just saw, the projectile, the arrow, shoots out a little too early. So either I need to delay the arrow. I'm pretty sure that's all I have to do. So I don't. That's all I need to do. I don't know how to, but that's all I need to do. I mean, a little wonky. It's not perfect, but that's it's working and all. You can see that. Let's head into Animator, and so here's my attacking animation thingy, blend tree, all that good stuff. So as you can see here, I have it going from any state to attacking. So if you're moving, you can attack. If you're idle, you can attack. Basically, that's why. And so when you're done attacking, it will go back to idle. But if we open this up, we have our blend tree. And so we got our player attack back, front, side, and side. So this is where all the different direct attacks come from. Yes. So in the code, I didn't have to code too much, I don't think. I don't remember much because the code came like first. I was trying to figure out how to work the animator. But in the attack, we have our animator up here, animator variable, and we named anim. What else do we do? Is this? So I think this is just what I did. I had the anim.setBool. Although I set the bool to true attack, but it's a trigger. So I don't know if I don't know. It works. I don't know if that's why it's delayed and all, but it works nonetheless. So we'll deal with it. We will deal with it. So I got that equaling true on the if statement, and the else statement will become false. Oh yeah, here we go. So here's the player state. That was for the animation. So we have an enum for player state, and we have our walk and attack, or we have walk and attack in it. What we do with those is very special. Let me find it. Oh, here we go. Alright, so in current state, which right here we have public player state, defaulting to current. Well, no, so we have public player state, name current state, and we're defaulting current state to the walk animation. So where else? Here. Yeah, so we have a coroutine, an IEnumerate coroutine. Cool name, am I right? I didn't know how to pronounce it for the longest time, but there you go, the coroutine. And so we have our anim.setBool to attack equaling true. Then we have our current state changing from its default walk into attack, and then yield returning null, which basically just, and then you have yield return null, which just separates this part from the rest. So after that, after this is played, the animation is fully gone through, we want to equal that to false, the attack animation to false, and then we want to set, what you want to do after waiting 1 second is we want it to return, because 1 second, that's just clarifying. It's letting the animation go through. So it's returning back to walk after all that's done. Then update animation and move, which basically is literally saying update the animation and move. But it's setting the float for move X and move Y, which was one of the main problems why it wouldn't work. Cause where is it? Is it in the blend tree? Yeah, here. So the parameters, I didn't see it up there, and I didn't put move X and move Y. That's the meat and potatoes apparently of this blend tree. I don't know. I was browsing around in my other blend trees, and I saw here that I had move X and move Y, but it was for the idle. So I saw it first in the move, but I was like, well, that's because it's moving and all. I don't know why I'm explaining myself so much. I don't need to explain myself. I did. Yeah. Anyway, this is just telling our animation animator to set our inputs to correlate with what we are, or what our animation for move X and Y is moving, basically. So I think that's the code. That's all we had to do. I say that's all we had to do. I was struggling for the longest time. And, well, I mean, besides us having to add all of these little small little things to it, to the blend tree, that's all we had to do. I know, why did it take me so long? I'm dumb, okay? That's why it took me so long. Get off my back, okay? Yeah, but I think that's all. See, this is why. Alright, so I'm going to explain a little bit of why I'm ending it. So, hold up. There we go. I got my mic now. So, basically, I wanted to end or go on hiatus for Unity Noob to Unity Pro. Basically because I was rushing through everything, and I mostly started copying people's videos, which I'm sure was noticeable. But I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to explain in this video. I'll probably explain it again in the last video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop Unity Noob to Unity Pro, not permanently, but for a little bit. And I'm just going to be going through different things of game design. I'm going to be programming still. I'm going to I'm going to start using the timeline in Unity for cinematics. So basically, I just want to improve in all areas. And Unity Noob to Unity Pro, although it's a good journey, it's really distracting me from improving, which I thought it wouldn't. Now, not to say I haven't improved. I've improved a lot throughout these 4 seasons, but I can tell that since school started, I'm starting to rush through the process, leading to me not really learning anything. So that's why I'm going to go on hiatus, my Unity to Unity Pro. I'm going to still be uploading the level design series and Let's Play here and there, it's just whenever. But as I get pushed by the squirrel, I'm just going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you understand why I'm ending it, hiatusing it. But it's not gone forever. I'm not gone forever. I'll be back next week. And I should be able to be more consistent, because also Unity Noob to Unity Pro really is time consuming. But I'm going to stop rambling. If anybody's still here, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.